Hi everybody, my name is Jasmine Sarah Thomas. Thanks for visiting my channel, and I'm here to share some great tips with you. So let's get into it. So the first one I'm going to be showing you is how to tunnel pin. And this is a very crucial whenever you are styling, because you definitely don't want your clients to see the bobby pins, and you don't want the bobby pins to be shown in the updo. So this is a nice little secret that allows you to hide the bobby pins in the hair and actually ensures that the hair is going to stay. So essentially what you're going to do is find whatever part you're grabbing in the hair. Let's say we're just going to pin this piece back. So the mistake I see often is people will just pin straight across. And obviously that's too much hair and it's not going to stay, and it's just going to move around. So I'm just going to grab a smaller section, kind of pin it back to where I want the hair to be, where I want it to stay. You're going to open the bobby pin like this, kind of just rub the tip of your finger right in the opening, and you're gonna kind of swoop it down, and then you're gonna push the bobby pin in the direction of the hair. And then from here I'll kind of like pinch and pull the hair a little bit to hide it. But that's how you tunnel pin. Grab the hair and pin it the direction that the hair is actually coming, and it's going to secure the hair and ensure that it's not going to move and it's not going to fall.